Hello aviators, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to explain about requirement for getting airline pilot license in India. Thanks for your supporting to cross 1000 subscriber. If you did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe so you can watch my regular uploading aviation related video. Let's start. First, we'll look into the different types of license held by airline pilots. I will be explaining here in details requirement for each license. That is student pilot license, private pilot license, commercial pilot license, airline transport pilot license, RTRA and FRTL. First, we'll discuss about SPL. SPL stands for Student Pilot License. For example, normally if you want to get driving license for car or any other vehicle, you need to get learning license before getting normal driving license. Same as if you want to get pilot license, first you need to get student pilot license. Pilot license issued by Flying School. It's approved by Director General of Civil Aviation in New Delhi. If you have student pilot license, you can start your flying training. Eligible, I have given here. The age minimum should be 16 years. The qualifications 10th or equivalence. Equivalent is nothing but candidates who studied from other country need to get equivalent certificate from India. Knowledge. Once you enroll to flying school, they will be conducting ground classes before getting student pilot license. They will be teaching air regulation that is related to the regulations and meteorology about the atmospheric weather. Next is air navigation. How do you travel from one place to other place? Aircraft and engine, that is technical general. Next one is medical. Medical, it's class 2 and for SPL we have two different types of medical for the pilots, class 1 and class 2. In this, they will be examine whether you are fit to fly or not. Duration depends upon completing syllabus by flying school. Next is fees depends upon the flying school. Flying experience, it's not required to get student pilot license. Security clearance need to get from police department, and that is example commissioner or superintendent of police. Next is validity SPL for 5 years. We have some privilege if you get student pilot license and you cannot carry the passenger or animals. Next is, and you need to fly always under supervision of flight instructors. Next is, and you cannot fly IFR flights, that is the instrument flight rules. You need to fly always VFR, that is visual flight rules, below 15,000 feet. Next we'll see PPL. PPL stands for Private Pilot License. If you are holder of Private Pilot License, you cannot use this license privilege for flying civil aircrafts. So most of the hobby flyers get trained for Private Pilot License. Eligible criteria for getting Private Pilot License I have given here. Age not less than 17 years. Qualification 10th or equivalence. Knowledge little bit deeper than student pilot license. That is, we need to study air navigation, flight performance and planning, that is nothing but flight plan, and meteorological, air regulations, communications, how to talk from to the ATC and aircrafts, and then aircraft and engine, that is technical general. Next is medical is class 2. Duration, it will be take 8 to 12 months, that is depends upon the flying club also. Fees depends upon flying school, that is how much per hour they are charging. Flying experience total we need 40 hours. Out of 40 hours, 20 hours PIC, that is nothing but pilot in command. 5 hours cross country, it's a solo flight. The validity is given for 10 years for private pilot license. Next we'll discuss about CPL. CPL stands for Commercial Pilot License. If you are holding this license, you can join any commercial airlines or chartered company as a pilot. CPL is normally minimum requirement for getting into the airline. Eligible criteria for commercial pilot license I have given here. Age not less than 18 years. Educational qualification 10th plus 2 or equivalent with maths, physics and chemistry. Knowledge, you need to prepare for more deeper and total 5 exam for commercial pilot license conducted by Director General of Civil Aviations, and out of 100 marks each subject pass mark is 70, so 70 percentage you need to get clear for each exam. One exam conducted by WPC, that is Wireless Planning Coordination Wing, conducted for Certificate of Proficiency Radio Telephony Restricted Exam in India, used for communication between aircraft and ATC. So total 6 exam need to clear to get commercial pilot license. Next is medical. Medical need class 1 medical less than 40 years old, then validity for medical is 1 year. If you are more than 40 years, the validity of medical is 6 months. Duration 12 to 18 months, that is depends upon the flying club and as per weather. Fee depends upon the flying club, how much hour they are charging per hour. Next is flying experience. Total 200 hours for commercial pilot license, and in that 100 hours we should have pilot in command, 50 hours cross country flights solo, 30 hours instrument flying, 10 hours night flying. Normally validity for commercial pilot license 5 years. Last one, ATPL, stands for Airline Transport Pilot License. If you wanna become a commander or captain of flights, you need to get Airline Transport Pilot License. The Airline Transport Pilot License is the higher license for pilots. I have given here requirement of getting Airline Transport Pilot License. First one, age. It's not less than 21 years old. Qualification 10th and 12th or equivalency, maths, physics and chemistry. Knowledge, you can see here written and oral I have written here. So written and oral conducted by Director General of Civil Aviations. Medical class 1, and that is the same as commercial pilot license. Less than 40 years, the validity of medical 1 year. If it is more than 40 years, the validity of medical 6 months. Durations, and that is depends upon the requirement when we fulfill. Flying experience, total 1500 hours, and in that 250 hours PIC, that is pilot in command, 500 hours cross country, 75 hours instrument flying, 100 hours night flying. The validity of this airline transport pilot license 5 years. Hoping you understood basic requirement of getting pilot license. If you would like to know about more, you can drop me a message, so I will get back to you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to press like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can watch my regular uploading video. Comment below if you have any query. Happy landing. We'll get back to you on another video.